we have integrations with the major CAD systems you can see there. But in addition, for other design, today's products are all now electronic and everything. So we have harness design with AutoCAD Electrical and Mentor Capital harnesses. Then we got, the electronics, the printed circuit boards. There's different companies out there that do that. All that stuff is integrated into Teamcenter, just like I showed you. So, there's integrations for each one of these CAD systems up here, and we have electrical systems. So let's see what some of that looks like. So here I have 4 integrations. On the upper left, I got CATIA. You can see my interface there for Teamcenters going in there. There's that same handle we were just talking about. I'm going to go back to Teamcenter, to CATIA in there, and actually drag and drop that in. So you can see I'm in my native CATIA environment, and I'm working in it. If I go down to Mentor Capital. It has the same thing there for wire harnesses. I go to the right, Altium Designer, which is all printed circuit boards. And you can see here I'm checking things into Teamcenter, and Autodesk Inventor. They all have similar looks and feels for the Teamcenter portion of it, but the rest of it is the CAD system and how it works. So it is, truly integrated, and like I said, they talk to each other, and they don't allow, each software doesn't allow the other one to do something that's illegal by the other one's rules.